So right now I leave in right away. I'm tired, feeling stressed out. I patiently waiting for the carnival to come. I can't believe that I might miss.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but the last couple of videos that I had did, I was showing you the different parts, the axle, the control arm, the wheel bearing, the hubs, the shock struts, all the whole assembly. So I got all of that installed, and man, my car is running amazing. It's running real smooth, basically like brand new, because the whole suspension, the suspension, front end suspension, everything feels really good, pretty good, really good, really smooth, really strong. Man, I love it. So right about now I'm gonna pick up my sister from work. How you guys been doing? I know I haven't been on this channel because I'm on this other, I'm trying to build this other channel, guys. As I said in my last video that I did, I can't remember the last video that I did. I gotta look back on that. But I'm building another channel, so it's hard, it's tough, but hey, just gotta keep on going, you know. But yeah, my car is, man, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the way how it feels. Love the way how it rides. It's really pays to keep up with your vehicle. You know, right now everything, I'm not gonna lie, I would love to get another vehicle, but right now the price is off the chain. Everything is just so unnecessary right now, and especially with the grocery stores and all that price gouging, like, it's ridiculous. It's sad. But yeah, I love my car. I get a lot of compliments when I pick up my customers driving for Lyft. They always ask me, hey, what years is your car? They ride so nice, it's so spacious. I get a lot of compliments, so I appreciate all the compliments, you know, and that's the reason why I end up getting this car anyways, because I did my homework on it. Same engine as the ES350, you know, even though it's a 15-year-old car, 15 or 16-year-old car, no, 2008. So it rides real nice, real smooth, spacious. I love it, you know, reliable as well. But yeah, I replace all that, all those parts, and all those parts except for the axle. I had replaced the axle before, but before I did, I never replaced the shocks, the control arms, the wheel bearing. I never replaced those before, so when I finally replaced those, car is just riding and driving amazing. And I had just recently installed 2 new tires like 2 weeks ago, getting alignment as well, so it's just riding how it's supposed to ride. Now what I need to do when I get some money, of course, is I need to replace the shocks that's in the back. The 2 shocks that's in the back need to be replaced. I never replaced those, and those, it's bad, but it's not bad. You know, it's levels to when something is bad. As for my situation, mine is not bad, because usually when your axle is really bad, the back part will drops. Every time you drive in and you hit a little bump, it'll hit on you, will hear it too. You'll hear it hit on the, because the damper, all that is weak no more. It's not doing the job. So it hit on the tire. You'll hear it, and you'll see it as well, how your car is actually hanging and how it's driving. You'll see it. But when I was getting, the mechanics told me that when I was getting my 2 new tires installed in the front, they told me that I need to change my replace my shocks. And I asked them for a quote. What's the price they charge and everything. The price is off the chain, which is crazy. Like, y'all are something. Like, everybody trying to get rich overnight. It is sad. But they said it's like $240 a piece, so that'll be like $480 for the parts, because there's 2 of them, the right and the left and the right side. So it'd be like $480 for the parts, which is ridiculous, because as I said, you could shop, buy your own parts, read the reviews of the parts, make sure it's good quality, high quality, meets OEM standards. I seen for 2 of them it's like $150 off this website, and that thing is actually made in America, made in the US, of course. And in another site, I went on eBay as well, and I seen for 2 of them it's like $112, $113, $120. They got different prices. So, but the one that's for $150 on the site, it actually came with the I think the sway bar links. I can't remember the name of. I think it's the sway bar links they came with. So they came with brand new sway bar links for the $150. So it's not bad. The parts is not bad. Now the labor that they trying to charge, I can't remember how much they trying to charge for the labor, but all I know, everything together with taxes and all that, including for the $480 plus the labor charge, over $1,000. I was like, yo, this is ridiculous. Like, it is not. What I said is, it is not that hard to get the job done. They acting like they have to like remove the engine out of the car and do some extra stuff. That is ridiculous. It's a few bolts that you have to remove, and you have to remove that sway bar link as well, which they have all the tools to do that. They got to remove really remove my back seat, but get to the top to remove the bolts, so the axle could actually, not the axle, the whole assembly for the shocks could drop. So they overcharging for the job, for the labor. It's ridiculous. What this guy doing? Oh my gosh, this 18-wheeler. But yeah, they overcharging for that. I'm sorry about that, guys. I knew I was gonna go into that thing, because my holder is not working too good. I think I broke it actually. Yeah, so as I was saying, and I'm back, somewhat back. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm staying in this lane. I'm on the highway right now, guys. So yeah, they're overcharging to get the job done. Like, it's crazy how these companies and these mechanics, these different companies, charging so much money for the same work, the same product. Like, everybody's trying to get rich overnight, which is crazy. But I have a mechanic friend, and he's only charging $200, 200 to 250. Most likely you're gonna charge me 250. So I'm gonna say 125 a piece, one side and the other side. So that's not bad. So in all, I'm gonna end up spending like what, 1, 2, 3, like about 350, like about 362 around there. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna end up winning anyways, because I'm still happy that the shop tell me that the ones in the back is bad, because I didn't know. But it's sad that they charging so much money to do the job, the labor charge. It's sad. But this is all I want to share with you guys, you know, let you guys know, give you guys an update. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace, bye-bye, take care, and God bless.
Of this world